Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to study for college math. First, make attending every lecture a top priority. Your instructor often highlights key concepts. Take thorough notes, focusing on examples and explanations. Crucially, review these notes within 24 hours to reinforce what you've learned. This immediate recall helps solidify complex ideas. Finally, engage actively in any problem-solving sessions or tutorials offered. Don't just listen. Try to work through problems yourself. This consistent engagement is foundational for success. Passive learning won't cut it for college math. Instead of just reading solutions, actively work through example problems on your own, covering the solution first. Try explaining difficult concepts aloud, as if teaching someone else. This reveals gaps in your knowledge. Pay close attention to any mistakes you make, understanding why they occurred. This process of identifying and correcting your own error patterns is incredibly powerful for deep learning and preventing future missteps.
Hey everyone, if you're finding these tips helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And speaking of preparation, fueling your brain is crucial for those long study sessions. Quick recommendation: make meal prep easy with these fantastic leak-proof containers. They're perfect for keeping your brain food fresh and ready to go. You can find the link for these, along with other great deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Consistent practice is non-negotiable. Ensure you complete all assigned homework problems, not just for a grade, but for mastery. If you're stuck, don't hesitate to utilize your instructor's office hours. This one-on-one guidance can be invaluable. Consider forming a small study group with classmates. Explaining concepts to each other and working through problems collaboratively can provide new perspectives and strengthen everyone's understanding of the material. When exams approach, preparation is key. Start creating a detailed study schedule several weeks in advance, allocating specific times for each topic. Practice with past exams or sample problems, simulating test conditions by timing yourself. This helps you manage your time effectively during the actual assessment. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, ensure you get adequate rest the night before any math exam. A well-rested mind performs significantly better.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.